We were looking bullish for a minute, but we got a bearish flag now. 15-minute bearish kangaroos, 5-minute bearish, also bullish. What's up, Stewie? This 1 minute looked like it was going to continue trending. Yeah, it was off yesterday. The downtrend might continue today. Okay. Moving average crossover. This kangaroo has almost failed. I don't know, you could still be in buys actually. You could still use this low as a stop loss. But this crossover here, this crossover is telling me a trend is potentially over. Go up and to test the, let's see, where was the lows? Could look for sells to come down here. We do have a reason to enter a sell. There's anger up here, but it's a pretty bad entry. Could look for sells off this trend line too. But you still got the W potential if this wicks. If this candle closes as a kangaroo, it'd be very interesting because then you'd have a double bottom. We get a double bottom, I'm buying. We get a bearish wick, I'm selling. So I can go both ways here. This is the 2 minute. I mean, we could even have a wick like this. If we get a wick like this, with some like divergence, I'll probably buy. A lot of possibility in the next 2 minutes. We're on a nice zone. Let's see if we get a big wick coming out here in the next minute. Son of a bitch. Okay, that's about a 42. Let's do the math right now. 50 divided by 45. Oops. 50 divided by 45. I need to do a 1.1 lot size. God damn. Double bottom kangaroo, potential W. Will we cross the MA? I'm gonna enter the buy. I'm gonna enter the buy. I better put a stop loss in though, ASAP. ASAP. 13,472. I am in the buy. Double bottom W. You know, it would be crazy if price actually breaks this trend line and shoots all the way up here. That would be something. Shit. I risked 50 on this trade. Around 50. I'm gonna make an alarm here. Just for some reason, if I'm looking at another chart, I know that price just met my entry. But I want to see price just obliterate this area right here. Fucking obliterate it. Stewie, what's gapping? Okay, Tesla's gapping up, then that means it could retest right back down, right? But it didn't. Earlier this week, Tesla did gap up. It did shoot down, but then it went up. We got a bearish kangaroo tail now though. Not much room to the left, but we do got one nonetheless. Alright, we're back. Break even on this trade now. My stop is obviously on the lows. My risk isn't 50, it's actually 43. My risk is 43 exactly. I wanted it to be 50, but whatever, that's okay. 10 hours is still decent. Is it almost worth it to hedge this trade? Enter the sell also. If lows are taken out, then we're most likely to continue trending down. I might enter a sell also. That way, I mean, if this buy loses and the sell wins, and vice versa, I mean, that's a lot of R's. Decisions. I might hedge this shit and enter the sell also. It's how many R's? How many R's is this if it drops all the way down? Is the reward to risk worth it? I mean, you can get 13 R's. I mean, you lose 1 R, you're still up 12 R's even with that loss. So according to my math, entering a sell is also not a bad idea. Unless this candle goes up. Let's see. Let's see if it clears that kangaroo already. 50 seconds. Let's see. If this candle closes, never mind. Never mind. That sell just got stopped. I do got my sell ready. I do got my finger on it. All right, we got to bust this trend line right now. We got a trend line plus every moving average you can think of. Some pretty hefty resistance. Plus the VWAP. Plus the VWAP. Wait, no. The VWAP is down here. Okay. Goddamn. Okay. How far can we go though? This is an attempt. It would be scary if this candle closes as a wick. You got 18 seconds. We do not want to see this candle close as a kangaroo. We don't. We don't. Fuck us. It might be. It might be. No, it wasn't. Okay, good. I still got the sells ready. I still got the sell ready. Heavy resistance. Always be ready for the sell. MS is open. A lot of movement going on though. I think we're gonna see some crazy shit in the next 10 minutes. One of two things are gonna happen. I'm gonna be stopped out, or we're gonna shoot up. I'm only up $45, which isn't very impressive. Give me like give me $1,000 and we'll call it good. What I'm doing right now is basically counter trend, right? Counter trend, seeing if it breaks and continues trending up. Damn, we got more resistance here than Hunter Biden going into a drug class. We're up $70 now. Oh. Fucking kangaroo. Fuck. Forcing me to try to enter a cell now? Killing me here. All right, back in the same situation. I might enter a sell also. I did enter the sell, but I did take a $17 loss on the buy. Yeah, I did catch that candle. The trend is your friend, they say. Let's see if we can make prices hit over here. 13,420. Let's look at why it dropped. I mean, there was a lot of resistance, okay? First of all, this green line that turns into red, this is the 100 SMA. This thick, or this thin blue line, this faint blue line, is the 30 EMA. Now, the darker blue line is just a smooth EMA. So it's a smoothing of 10, which basically just takes the jaggedness out. Like you see here, the light blue line is jagged, so this blue line is smooth. Pink line is the VWAP. This is the last area that we need to cross, the VWAP. If you took this trade right now, you'd be up. Let's see how much you'd be up. Hypothetically, if you did take it with me. You would be up 5 Rs, so I should be up like 250 right now. Let me see. Now I'm up 120. But we want to see this VWAP break. And head down to these lows. 13,400 areas. Damn, this strategy made me enter a trade I didn't want to, because we were already in bias. But by following the strategy, you have to eliminate your bias and just enter every trade. I want to see this whole price fill down here. Drop like an elevator. We got 15 seconds for the open. I better set break even though. Alright, I did set break even. We just opened up. Why is that break even? Because fucking price is crazy at the open, that's why. Yeah, we want to see that. Break that VWAP though. This VWAP is a fucking asshole right now. It would be awesome if this zone is broken. Oh my god, look at this volatility. Come on, drop, motherfucker. Think like the fucking Titanic. Sink like the Titanic. Don't fly like a plane. If this shit flies like a plane, I'm hitting break even. Come on, drop. Drop like an elevator right here. Deep sea diving. Let's go exploring in caves. Deep sea diving, that's what we want to see. None of this Elon Musk rocket shit. I want to see price hit here. I'm up like 150 right now. I don't give a fuck. I want to hit my zone. I want to make 1,000. That's what we're going for right here, $1,000. Either gonna make nothing or $1,000 on this trade. I'm up 209 right now. We still got about 500 pips to go. Hold where we caught this sell right here. This could be a fucking monster. Could be. I don't want to get too excited yet. I did risk 50 on this. The other day, a Kangaroo did run 78 Rs. That's not the candle we wanted to see right here though. But we do have moving average crossovers. So let's get rid of the VWAP. We don't need the VWAP. Let's just pay attention to the moving averages. The trend is our friend. We just crossed. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, yo. We still have about 300 pips to go. If you're still holding the sell, just chill, relax. Oh, I just turned on the smoothing. So that's just the smoothing line. I thought it was kind of cool. Apparently it just takes out the jaggedness of... You see how like the main 30 MA is jagged? This thing just like, you know, smooths it. And I thought it looked cool. I thought it looked cool on the chart. I thought it looked real cool. About 200 more pips. almost there. Right here, I want to see these lows. Yeah, it's crazy. I want to see these prices, Phil. I won't consider closing until I hit my goal. Or our target, I should say. Not necessarily goal, but my fucking target. Can we get there? Let's see if our analysis was right. As far as I'm concerned, this is a huge fucking W for the stream. Right? I already consider this trade a win, but not gonna close until my goal. What kind of news is I want to look at Tesla real quick and Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. Check out Tesla. This is on the hourly though. Okay, that's interesting. We do have a bullish Kangaroo Tail on Tesla. Pretty good one too. Pretty fucking good one. Let's look at the higher time frames on NASDAQ. Make sure we're not missing anything. Now we crossed the 5-minute 100 MA. Crossovers, everything is under the 100 MA now. 15-minute cross, 5-minute, 10-minute, or a 2-minute. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 different time frames under the 100 MA. Let's go to the daily. We're missing something. We need to look at our daily analysis. Our daily is bearish. Daily targets. Got a little bit of retrace coming. We did open up right here. Here's our open price up here. That's a pretty big candle. Oh my god, Tesla. Tesla's going up. Holy shit, that's a fucking huge candle. Our fucking stops are right here. This is where my current break-even stops are. Now, we just did get a wick right on the 30 EMA. This is real interesting. We do have just a little bit of resistance right here, just a little bit. We got in right at the top, basically. Okay, we got a red candle. Come on, let's make new lows. I think we need to go to the 1 minute now. Maybe even the 30-second chart. Give us a few more candles to look at. And we had 3 kangaroos down here. Nothing to do but wait. Well, we were up 380, now we're only up 100. Damn it, so close. We were so close to that target. We were so close to this target. Ay, ay, ay. Nonetheless, we did enter right at the fucking top. Woof. Now, an optimal entry would have gave you 13 hours. I definitely was not up 13 hours because my entry... Fuck was my entry? My chart just froze. That was really weird. Interesting, guys. We got a bearish kangaroo tail now on all this resistance. That makes things interesting. Technically, I need to enter another sell. The chart is telling me I need to enter another sell. Got a bullish tail now. Now the thing about this one though, I mean there's no room to the left though. Most of the time I wouldn't even have that ability to even be turned on. If you didn't enter a sell, you can use this wick as a stop. Now we're back up 250. Been quite a roller coaster. We'll see how this candle closes. I'm still looking for 13,400 areas for TPs. That's what I would like to see. This volatility is insane though. Tesla's fighting to not make new lows. We need Tesla to tank. Tesla needs to make new lows and kill this kangaroo. This is the time where we're rooting for a kangaroo to fail. Because if Tesla makes new lows, then this is going to be a monster trade on NASDAQ. Yeah, fully, brother. I'm on standby for that trend to break out. And I hope it's going to be a downtrend. I would love a downtrend right now. Shit. Like, this candle doesn't even make sense. Absolute no sense. No, this candle does not make sense. I want to look at the volume. All right, look at this. This wick, pretty good volume spike. And now this candle don't make sense. Or Scott break even right here still. This 30 EMA is still holding. Still holding. We got this trend line still, of course. I like this candle right here. I like it. Look where this wick is. On a trend line, on the EMA, on the smooth EMA. Let's look at the SVP, the volume profile. Okay. Most volume in the morning is right here. Pink line. And the next zone it is drawn is the lows, okay. We're up like 6 or 7 hours right now. Yeah, I'm up 6 hours right now. Got a pretty phenomenal entry right here. Right here on this candle. And I'm looking to fill down here. This one's taking a lot of patience though. All right, yeah, we got that news coming. I am up 250 right now, but not cool with that. I think I saw something on Bloomberg about that too. Or I think, no, it was on Fox Business. Right here. Housing market becomes major headwind. Housing market is like... Yeah, we've been in for about, what? When did we enter? Yeah, I've been in for about 45 minutes. I hope the news is bad then. Give us some bad news. I'll exit the trade down here. If we get there. The trend is your friend, right? We're still under all the MAs. I mean, you could sell now if you wanted to, but shit. You really don't have that good risk reward. Selling now would be risky because you really don't have a good stop loss. If you were on the stream, right at 6:20 this morning, you would have gotten the most perfect entry. We were also in the buy. Actually. This candle popped up and I decided I was going to enter the sell, but I set break even on the buy. It actually had a $17 loss on the buy, but we were in this, and our target was here originally. Nice comment. You're going for that daily zone? The daily zone below. We have 30 seconds for the news. Give us some bad news so we can smash this TP. Yo, thanks for the follow, yo. Thanks for that follow there. Get this shit. 10 seconds for the news, you say? Okay. All right. Alright, I'm closing 400 right now. I did get about 10 Rs. I got a 10 R trade out of that. Damn, all that patience, guys. All that fucking patience. The strategy works. Hey, if you would have gotten an optimal entry, you could have gotten 18 Rs out. This is optimal. Only way you can get optimal entry is with a robot. If you are a human being, you can't get 18 Rs. This has to be a robot entry. And if you risk 50 on that, let's say you risk 50 on that, this is with the robot entry, right? $50 times 17.5. That's $875. But you can see, I mean, human error. Look at this. Okay, look at the difference. Here's the difference between human error. You mess up a little bit, you're only getting 6, 7 Rs. You get there precisely? I mean, you can see the math right there. Yep, Craig, you hopped on at the right time. Kangaroo strategy's been upgraded like fire. Like fucking fire. Hold on, let me see what my win rate on this account was. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you how powerful this is. So check this out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on this account, I fucking lost 10. I lost my first 10 trades. The 11th trade took care of all the losses. Oh shit. Same strategy, just using moving averages as zones and shit. Technically, I'm supposed to be still holding though, believe it or not. Even though I grabbed 10 Rs, I'm supposed to still be holding. Until I know for sure the moving average has been crossed. Which it hasn't. Which it hasn't. And this thing can trend. This thing can trend all day. Remember, we did miss an entry too here. We decided not to take a second entry right here. I'm still trading on Stage FX, but I'm using MNQ data. MNQ is NASDAQ futures data, the official chart data. Yep, Cold War, did you take that sell? I'll tell you what, yo, this strategy, as long as you can have a 9% win rate with this strategy holding through the moving averages and your major zones, if you think you can win 9% of all the trades you take, you're profitable. You're fucking profitable. Why? Because you're getting 10, 20, 30 yard trades out of this strategy. That's why. That is why. The other day, one ran for 78 hours. I just got very unlucky. I'll show you guys. I got extremely unlucky. Let me find it. Day was it? It wasn't yesterday. I believe, was it this one? Yeah, it was this candle. So I entered a sell, but I was not looking at the official NASDAQ data. I was on some random NAS100 data, and I did not put my stop in the right spot, and it barely fucking hit right here. But anyways, I was in this, and because of the strategy, you're up 78 hours. You would have gotten out of the trade after these moving average crossovers, so you would have gotten anywhere from 50 hours to 45. I mean, do the fucking math. And I took a $43 loss on this trade instead of a $50 loss, so I made a mistake. I was looking at the wrong fucking data, got stopped right here when my stop needed to be above. I mean, goodness, $43 times 45, that's $1,900 just right there. But I would have at minimum gotten 58 out of it. What's 58 times 50? That's $2,900. In the morning, I'm hoping for counter trend crossover. So in the morning, before the open, you want to take them counter trend. So if there's a bearish above an MA, you're taking it and hoping for the crossover like that. It works for fucking any symbol too you can think of. Here's another example. Crossover. Not a very big move, but you can still see it. The strategy will make you rich, very rich. I mean, when you catch a trend, look at these moves. I mean, look at how much you can trail down. These were last week. All these counter trend. Boom, that one. Let's see the risk reward on this shit. I mean, that's 19 hours right there. And you're ignoring every sell. Once the crossover happens, you're ignoring. Look how many sells you don't take. Look how many trades you ain't losing. You're preventing all these losses until you're ready to do counter trend shit. $100 SMA and then 30 EMA and the 10 smooth EMA. Now this was right at the close. If someone was ready to attempt counter trends, a pretty nice move. See, look, price is still bouncing off this 30 EMA perfectly. With the trend line, you don't even need the trend line actually. You could just use this EMA as your trend line. I'm sensing a move like this to happen. We're making lower lows and lower highs. There's no reason why this couldn't be a trade setup. But there's no kangaroo or anything. Yep, the smooth. You just turn it on right here. It just makes the 30 less jagged. And it looks cool, honestly. I like having a thick, smooth line and a thinner line there. But we may have actually gotten out. And the 100 SMA. But the 100 SMA is already just on the reversal. I think too, the only way this strategy will work for someone is you can't care about money. You can't be attached to how much you're up. You have to be attached with the move in your targets. You could take a shot. You could take a shot at this, guys. If you have not entered a trade today, this might be a worthy one. The trend is your friend, they say. You could have a stop at that wick. If you're happy with 2 Rs, that could be a good one. But if you weren't on the stream when we entered here, you need to join the stream earlier tomorrow, because you can get way better entries. I mean, do you want 14, 15 Rs, or you just want 2 Rs? You know, the typical YouTuber on stream will do a ridiculous trade like this. You're like, okay guys, let's go for 1 R. Let's risk 100 and only make 90. This is the typical YouTuber's move. This is our fucking move. This is our move. I'm just charting on TV. And then just entering here. But I also am trying to set up this iPad. Yeah, right here. We got MetaTrader on here. You can get a little bit better entry if this closes as another Kangaroo. If this closes right here, this is a sell. It would be easier to trade directly on TradingView though, honestly. Let's look how clean this is, I mean. And then you could have sells, I mean. This would honestly be faster. And then I think you can actually see, let's see. Can you drag these? Yeah, see, look, you can instantly just drag, get your optimal stop loss right away. This is what the paper trading looks like.
Don't cry.
The commission is 8 cents. 8 cents per CME contract. I might need to throw some money on some futures. Moving average crush. Looks like the trend is shifting, obviously. Chop, chop. Right back to the open. Yeah, yep. Look at this. We got the open retest. Yep, we open here. Retest immediately. Like a slingshot. Jesus Christ. And I'll be right back. Be right back. It's $4 a month though. It's only $4 a month. You add it into your TradingView profile. Comedy Live, did you take a shot at this seller right here? Tesla finally did make new lows right there. It is a pretty choppy morning now. I highly doubt I'm going to take any more trades today. Out of the US30 too. Jesus Christ. Ha! US30 did a 25-hour trade. You can buy this indicator at kangaroofx.com. Get that shit, yo. Who doesn't want 25 fucking hours on a 2-minute chart? Lots of time and energy has been spent building this indicator. That's only about a 3-hour setup right here for a US30 currently. I think I'm gonna hop off now though, since I am done trading, but a pretty nice setup for US30 right there. Gotta come out with another winning day tomorrow. Hope tomorrow is actually gonna trend. We'll get about $1,000 if that shit trended. Yep, I'm gonna hop off now. Catch y'all tomorrow. I will stream some Call of Duty though. I need to kick some ass on that. In kangaroos we trust. look at that money maker. Look at that money maker. Haha. Damn. Off the 30 EMA, off a Kangaroo. What more can you ask for?